Hi, welcome back to Shut Your Face Garage. My name is Matt, and today we're going to show you an easy way to get rid of overspray off your paint. So today we're going to be using a Remove Garage Fine Surface Prep Mitt. I stumbled across this product on accident. I bought a buffer at a pawn shop and it had some stuff with it, and this was included. I wasn't sure what it was, but turns out it's pretty sweet. And first thing you want to do is wash your car. Make sure it's free of any loose dirt or anything that's going to scratch the paint. Wash it, and then you'll take this, which is basically like a wash mitt. You can put your hand inside it. This is a sweet alternative to using clay. It has a similar clay-like sticky, I don't know what it is, but it's kind of sticky surface to this. And all you want to do is take a detailing spray. I'm using Speed Shine from Griot's Garage too, but you can use McGuire's Final Inspection or any of the 100 others spray detailers there are. You just want to liberally wet the surface. I'll spray some on here too, just for fun. And just wipe it down. I like to go in straight lines, just so it puts less swirl marks in your paint. Just keep rubbing it like that, keep it wet. You can hear how much overspray is on this thing. Keep going back and forth in straight lines. You can hear all the stuff that's on. Obviously, some know, most of you probably know, I painted a bunch of stuff with this car sitting here uncovered. You don't want to push too hard on this. You give it a little gentle pressure. This is going to be worse than most things. That's why I'm showing it on this. Wipe it off with the microfiber until it's dry. You can see it doesn't sound like sandpaper anymore versus this. And it feels super smooth, you know, just like almost like a wax surface. And that's it. This is reusable. You can wash it. It comes with washing instructions. You can use it with car soap. And yeah. I like it better than clay because clay, I'm kind of clumsy with it. If you mess around and if you drop the clay on the ground, it's pretty much garbage because it picks up dirt and you don't want to rub that back into your paint. This at least, it's a mitt on your hand. A lot easier to keep a handle of. And it works pretty sweet. Like I said, I didn't know about these, I just learned about them. You can just tell how smooth that is versus this where I didn't do. I'll put a link in the description to Griot's Garage's website, and I'll try to put a link directly to this product. So that's it. Hope this helps somebody. If you like this type of video, let me know. Subscribe, comment, like. Let me know if you want to see anything else. If you're interested in any other how-tos, let me know. I'll see if I can do them. That's it for now.